him, and Judge Mark Scarsi has now set a sentencing date of December 16th. We are awaiting Hunter Biden's departure from the courthouse now. It all began with an unusual arrival in that he showed up and was dropped off curbside by Secret Service, when in every other hearing in this case he has been driven in to an underground garage. That's when we thought this might be an unusual day. Then Abby Lowell, one of his lead attorneys, dropped the bombshell that he wanted to change his plea, Hunter Biden to guilty. There was an objection from the Department of Justice prosecutors because they said he was trying to enter a guilty plea while at the same time, under what is called an Alford plea, maintaining his innocence. So then there was some back and forth between the two sides. Ultimately, the prosecution were allowed to read the entire 56-page indictment this afternoon in court, and then Judge Scarsi went through each of those 9 charges, said, how do you plead? In each case, Hunter Biden said guilty, and the court chose to accept what Judge Scarsi is now calling an open plea rather than an Alford plea. So bottom line, Hunter Biden has now pled guilty to those 9 tax fraud-related charges, and he will be sentenced on December 16th. The maximum sentence he can receive, 17 years in prison and $1 million in fines. President Biden has said all along, of course, that he will neither pardon Hunter Biden in this case or indeed in his gun case, neither will he commute the sentence. Of course, President Biden said those things before he decided not to run again for the presidency. So sentencing December 16th, we'll see what President Biden on his way out of the White House